Hi, Malcolm. I'm Chloe. How are you?
Hi, Chloe. I'm excellent.
Good. Oh, I'm with Brit+Co. I forgot to say that for the slate. But congratulations, first off, on this film. It was a crazy ride that got so many like audible reactions from me. And to start, I would love to ask you, what's your favorite part about directing this genre that takes the viewer on such like a crazy ride?
Your reaction is what I live for. The audience to be on a ride and be surprised and clutching their pearls and covering their mouth and gasping. I love that kind of thing. I love it when I can get a visceral reaction out of an audience. That's always the goal, to entertain, number one, and to really like immerse some an audience into the storytelling that I'm doing.
Absolutely. Do you have a favorite story or memory from being on set with this cast? I love seeing the cast all together. I'd love to know what it was like, when the cameras weren't rolling.
They are a great bunch, very close knit. They love to have fun. I will say that, like, Chloe, leading everyone. I mean, she is in every frame of this movie,
Yeah.
and she has so much doing a range of emotions, and they're all very supportive and great scene partners. I would say I can't. There's been a couple of times where they were all together, and everyone's very giving,
Mhm.
and supportive of one another, and want each other to win, and encouraging to one another. So that's when you have these long takes and these long um, you know things that have to be done and that are very time consuming. It's important for everyone to keep their energy up and all be on the same page, and so it was a really great group.
hmm Oh, I love that. And one thing that I love talking to creatives about is I'd love to hear where you get or find inspiration. I love getting I get writing breakthroughs when I go on long walks, and I know so many people get them from other maybe material. Like I love to hear what fills your cup creatively.
It kind of depends on what it is I'm looking for. When I'm writing, I always listen to music when I do that. Most of the time when an idea comes, it'll come like in the middle of the night, and I gotta write it down.
Yes.
I would say that, and if I don't, it'll be totally forgotten,
Yeah.
and in the brain and out the brain really quickly. I meditate, I do yoga, I exercise. These are all kind of things that kind of help, the mind, body, and spirit.
Wait, can I ask what music you're listening to right now?
Right now, I'm such an old school head, so it's a mixture of 90s R&B, 60s jazz, 70s, 90s hip hop. It's a mix. And then some modern things here and there, but nothing that's like it's just like all on a playlist, and I'm just like, okay, here's my writing music, and I just do that.
Yes. No, I'm a playlist person. I'm the same way. And I'm also curious, obviously this plot, we find Layla ends up being in so much danger unexpectedly. And I'm curious if you found yourself in a similar situation. Is there a member of the cast or crew, maybe not a similar situation, but something with high stakes? Is
Yeah.
there a member of the cast or crew that you would like trust to tap in and have your back?
Oh, huh. Yeah. I think it would be Chloe.
Yeah.
She's Yo, she's a badass in this movie. Like she is, and she's so ride or die and ready for anything. She does such amazing work in this movie, and she has to play so many different colors.
Yeah.
She's got to be vulnerable. She has to be sexy. She has to be maternal. She has to do action. She ran the gamut. So, and she was down to do it. So, like, I know when someone says never say die, it's Chloe.
Yes. Well, thank you so much for chatting with me. Congratulations again, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.
Thanks so much.